This is the kind of home that proves softness can still feel elevated, intentional, and unforgettable. Stepping into the foyer feels like arriving somewhere calm and deeply loved. Pale oak floors warm the whole space, while soft ivory walls catch the daylight and make everything glow gently. There is a quiet elegance in the air, nothing showy, just a welcoming softness that invites you to slow down, breathe, and stay a while. The room feels like the opening note of a beautiful home, peaceful and full of promise. The living room has that effortless comfort that makes you want to sink in and forget the clock. Sunlight spills across the oak flooring and brightens the linen textures, giving the whole room a soft, lived-in glow. Everything feels relaxed but thoughtful, as if every corner was shaped for easy afternoons, long conversations, and unhurried quiet. It is the kind of room that feels instantly familiar, warm, and deeply restorative. This family room carries a gentle, everyday charm that feels both practical and beautiful. The daylight slips in softly, brushing over the warm surfaces and making the room feel open without ever losing its coziness. You can almost imagine the easy rhythm of daily life unfolding here, with laughter, reading, and long pauses of rest. It feels grounded, calm, and quietly generous, like a space that knows how to hold a family well. The dining room feels like the heart of easy gatherings, where everything seems to glow in the afternoon light. The warm oak beneath your feet and the soft ivory walls create a calm backdrop for conversations that linger long after the meal ends. There is a natural grace here, relaxed and inviting rather than formal. It feels like a room made for shared stories, simple meals, and the kind of moments people remember. The kitchen has that lovely lived-in brightness that makes everyday routines feel special. Sunlight pours across the surfaces and gives the room a fresh, gentle energy, while the natural materials keep it feeling warm and grounded. It is the kind of kitchen where mornings begin slowly and beautifully, with coffee, quiet movement, and open windows nearby. Everything feels easy, welcoming, and practical, yet still full of character and charm. The breakfast nook feels like a soft little pause in the home, brightened by gentle morning light and wrapped in calm. It has the sweet intimacy of a place where the day starts unhurried, with tea, quiet conversation, and a sense of ease. The textures feel soft and welcoming, and the whole corner carries a relaxed warmth that makes ordinary mornings feel a little more comforting, a little more beautiful. The pantry feels quietly beautiful in its simplicity, like a hidden part of the home that still carries the same thoughtful spirit. Daylight reaches in just enough to make the jars, baskets, and shelves feel warm and orderly without losing their softness. Nothing feels forced here. It is calm, practical, and refined in a very gentle way, the kind of space that turns everyday essentials into something pleasing and serene. The home office feels calm in the best possible way, a place where thoughts can settle and focus comes naturally. Sunlight softens the room and gives the whole space a peaceful energy that never feels heavy or stiff. It has that quiet, collected feeling of a room meant for both work and reflection. You can imagine sitting here for hours, feeling grounded, inspired, and strangely at ease all at once. This reading room feels like a little retreat tucked inside the house, full of soft light and quiet comfort. The daylight gives the room a gentle, reflective mood, the kind that makes you want to curl up with a book and lose track of time. Everything about it feels restful and intimate, with a sense of hush that invites stillness. It is the sort of room that makes solitude feel luxurious. The primary bedroom feels like a deep exhale at the end of the day. Soft daylight moves across the room and gives everything a serene, restful glow, making the entire space feel calm and tender. There is a sense of privacy and ease here, as if the room was designed to cradle you gently. It feels personal without being cluttered, warm without being heavy, and beautiful in a quietly comforting way. The sunroom feels like pure morning happiness gathered into one room. Light fills every corner and gives the space a breezy, uplifting mood that feels almost weightless. It has that beautiful in-between feeling, connected to the rest of the home, yet open and bright enough to lift your spirits the moment you enter. The room feels relaxed, fresh, and deeply soothing, like a place where you could sit forever and never grow tired. What stays with you is not just the beauty of each room, but the quiet way every space makes daily life feel more graceful, more grounded, and more alive.